Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. And in this particular video, we are just going to be breaking down how to start options trading for beginners in a clear and simple way. All right. Now, options can seem confusing at first. Okay. But once you understand the foundation, it becomes much easier to approach. So we are just going to start with the basics, right? Options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation to buy or sell an asset at a set price within a specific time frame. So that is the key idea. All right, that is the key idea. Now, there are two main types of options that every beginner needs to know. Okay, two main types. There are calls and puts. All right, there are the call options and the put options. Okay, a call option gives you the right to buy an asset. That is for the call option. It gives you the right to buy an asset at a certain price. A put option, on the other hand, right? Call option gives you the right to buy an asset at a certain price, okay? Then a put option gives you the right to sell an asset at a certain price, okay? Just simple explanation, simple definitions, okay? So these two building blocks form the core of options trading. Now, the next is to look at, let's talk about two important terms, which are the strike price and the expiration date. Okay? Now, the strike price is the price level where you can buy or sell if you decide to exercise the option, right? The expiration date is the final deadline when the contract ends. So together, these two define the value and timeline of any option. Okay? Now, when you are just starting out, the best way to learn is by practicing. All right? That's the best way to learn. So that is where paper trading accounts come in. All right? Paper trading allows you to practice in real market conditions without using real money. Okay? You might have seen paper trading if you use TradingView, right? You might have come across paper trading. You can see that here, right? Paper trading. Basically, it's demo trading, right? So paper trading allows you to practice in real market conditions without using real money. You can test strategies, learn how options react and build confidence before ever placing a live trade. Now, another key step is choosing the right broker. Okay, a good broker will not only provide a trading platform, but also offer strong educational resources and, customer support. Okay, for beginners, this makes all the difference. You have to look for a broker with clear tools and an easy to use interface. Okay, risk management is just as important as learning the basics. Options can move quickly, and it is important to limit exposure. All right? Never risk more than you are comfortable losing, and avoid complex strategies until you fully understand how options behave. Okay? Keeping things simple in the beginning helps you build a solid foundation, right? So now to recap, learning how to start options trading for beginners is a step-by-step journey. Okay, it's actually a step-by-step journey. First of all, you need to understand what options are. Okay, you understand the concept of options, and then you learn calls, you learn puts, you learn strike prices and expirations. Okay, at least as a beginner, you should start learning with these, things first, right? You don't have to overburden yourself with everything at the same time. Okay, you need to start with the basics, right? Start with learning calls, learning puts, learning strike prices and expirations. Okay, then the next thing for you to do is to practice with paper trading accounts. All right, you need to practice with paper trading accounts in order for you to gain real experience. Okay, it is necessary to have those experiences before you even start involving real money. Okay, it's true that you can't possibly learn everything that you need to learn with paper trading, right? Because there is the emotional aspect and of course the psychological aspect and all of that. And there are feelings that come when real money is involved, which of course are not going to come when it's just paper money, right? Meanwhile, there are a lot of benefits to gain when you practice with paper trading accounts, because at the same time you are gaining real experience. Okay, real trading experience, just that it's not real money involved, but you are still gaining real experience with paper trading accounts. So it's very important that you practice with paper trading accounts. You gain those experience that you need to gain, and after that you choose a reliable broker. Okay, you choose a reliable broker and always focus on managing your risk. You can be a good trader in terms of technical analysis, but if you do not know how to manage risk, you might end up losing a lot of money. Okay, so by following these steps, you'll have a clear pathway to starting your journey in options trading. All right, if this guide on how to start options trading for beginners was helpful in any way, right, just click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more trading tutorials every day. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.